Ancient History of India, Chapter 1, हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन। भारत एक महान देश है और भारत अतीत में भी एक महान देश था। Ancient history of India proves that India was advanced civilized country in the world at that time. The Indus Valley civilization which is known as Harappan, also Harappan civilization, is very civilized states, civilized towns in the at that time. The Indus Valley civilization, which is also known as Harappan civilization, as well as Indus Saraswati civilization, prove that India or Bharat was a civilized, advanced country of the world at that time. Why the civilization named in many names by many historians differently. The civilization is named Harappan civilization because the investigation work of the civilization first done in the village named Harappa. So the historian named Indus Valley civilization as Harappan civilization. The civilization was named also Indus Valley civilizations because the Britishers called the river Sindhu as Indus, and besides this river, this civilization is found, so this is called Indus Valley civilization. Some historians named the Harappa civilizations as Indus Saraswati civilizations because the civilization is found between the river Indus and Saraswati river. So some said it Indus Saraswati civilizations. Some historians also called it Bronze Age civilizations because in this civilization the use of metal bronze is also found in these civilizations. Some historians also said it Copper civilization, Copper Age civilizations because the use of copper metal is also found in this civilization. In this way, this civilization is named differently by different historians in many times. Time and term of the civilizations. The historians have different of about the times and term of these civilizations. Some historians believe that Indus Valley civilizations grew before 1500 BC. Some historians believe that these civilizations grew between 3300 BC to 1300 BC. However, all the historians agreed that its highest point of growth has reached it between the 2600 BC to 1900 BC. Division and term of the Indus Valley civilization. Some historians divide the Indus Valley civilizations in three phases: pre-Harappan or early phase, second mature Harappans or developed Harappans, and third decline Harappans and ruining phase. In this way, some historians are divided the Harappan civilizations in three phases. How Harappan civilization came into notice. Harappan civilization first came into notice by local villagers. They noticed that some baked bricks are found in the place Harappa. They dug the place and they used the brick in building their house. Then archaeological culture survey was done in the time of British Raj in 1826. It reported that ancient culture of Harappa, but no one gave importance to it. Then between 1853 to 1856, a railway track was spread from province Punjab to Lahore. At that time, it came into notice of the engineers and contractor. The contractor used the baked bricks of Harappa in spreading railway track. Then in 1818, John Marshall became the Archaeologist General of India. He visited several times Harappa and reported about the ancient civilizations of Harappa and in its locality. Then the government of India sealed at that time that locality. He sent a group of archaeologists to Harappa under the leadership of Dayaram Sahni in 1921 to 1922. Then John Marshall sent another group of archaeologists to Mohenjo-daro under the leadership of Rakhal Das Banerjee. Then many archaeologists excavated continuously in 1923, 1924 and 1925 and 1926. The excavations and discovery continued on that locality till now. What excavated and discovered from Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization के खोदने से क्या क्या मिला उसके बारे में जानते हैं. The archaeologists excavated Indus Valley civilizations and found several things. The things which they found are baked bricks, पोड़ा ईटा का नमूना, clay pot, bronze metals, copper metals, image of god and goddesses, structure of public bathing place from Mohenjo-daro, ग्रेनर भंडार घर जिसे बोला जाता है, many public buildings, drainage system in the towns and modern type road. These are the excavations of archaeologists. Important features of Harappan civilization. हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन खोदने से क्या इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़, प्रमुख चीज़ मिला उसके बारे में जानते हैं. द सिविलाइजेशंस मेन्स इम्पोर्टेंट फीचर्स आर फर्स्ट टाउन प्लानिंग सिस्टम. It is equal as the modern town systems of today. आज के जितना भी टाउन है उसी के समान मॉडर्न टाउन प्लानिंग सिस्टम से हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन का निर्माण किया हुआ था. The civilizations of that time was equal to any modern civilizations of this times. The Harappan civilizations was a urban civilizations. The urban planning was equal to any of the modern civilizations of the world. They use baked bricks, पोड़ा ईटा के घर निर्माण किया हुआ था. They use baked brick to build their houses. They provided importance on sanitizations. They made covered drainage on both sides of the road. The modern main drain of the main drains opens outside of the towns. The road of urbans was crossed each other on triangular way. अर्थात जैसा समकोण जैसा रोड सब अपने आप को क्रॉस करता था. The door of the buildings did not open directly to the main road. It opened on the gallery road. However, some houses of Mohenjo-daro opened directly to the main road. In Indus Valley civilizations, system of water supply was also found. अर्थात टाउन के कुएं से वाटर सबको पानी सप्लाई किया जाता था. इन मोहनजोदारो ए great building of bathing pond was found that is 33 feet long and 12 feet wide and 3 meters deep. Perhaps this pond was used for public bathing place at the times. Millions of people lived in town Harappa. चलो हरप्पा सिविलाइजेशन के लोगों के बारे में जानते हैं. The town of the Harappa was divided into two parts. One part is called the upper parts, another part is called lower parts. In the upper parts, the VIP persons lived. That means the Raja, Purohit and the Rajkumar etc. all the important men lived in the upper town. And in the lower towns, the ordinary peoples such as cultivator, masters, businessmen, masons, all these are lived in the lower parts of the towns. In this way, the town was divided into two parts. That means the peoples are divided mainly in two ranks. The upper rank, upper part of the towns was boundarized, that means अपर पार्ट टाउन घेराबंदी था, इसलिए उन लोग को प्रोटेक्शन पर ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया गया था। द लोअर पार्ट्स In lower parts, the peoples are lived it together in ordinarily. Their importance was not so far much given at the times. ये इतना बड़ा सिविलाइजेशन कैसा दुनिया से एक ही बार समाप्त हो गया और उसका वंशज अभी नहीं मिले जाते, इसके बारे हिस्टोरियन का बहुत सा डिफरेंट अलग अलग मतवाद है। The historian has several different opinions how this great civilization buried and vanished from the earth. Opinions of the historians are differently, do not match to each other. Some historian guesses that the river Sindhu and its affiliated river change its directions, and so this civilization vanish from the earth. Some historians give opinions that because of earthquake, भूकंप के कारण यह सिविलाइजेशन माटी के अंदर दब गया। Because of the earthquake, these civilizations ruined and collapsed from this earth. Some historians said that because of the Aryan, these civilizations vanished from the earth. कुछ हिस्टोरियन बोलते हैं कि आर्य आने के भारत पर आर्य आने के कारण आर्य और द्राविड़ भीतर में संघर्ष जो हुआ उससे द्राविड़ हार जाने के कारण यह सिविलाइजेशन दुनिया से खत्म हो गया। However, it may be, but all the historians are agreed that the Dravid are the builder of Indus Valley civilizations. So much today. Next day we will know about next chapter.